Hello everyone. In the journey of completing a NVIDIA certificate in generative AI with diffusion model, today we'll complete the third challenge, which is optimization. Here you just watch this video completely. After that, click on the start button. Now we'll wait for 10 to 20 minutes. Here a start icon will come. Until that, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Now, after waiting for 10 minutes, I got this launch icon here. We'll click on it, and after that it will send us here in the next tab. Here also we'll wait for a while, let it be loaded. Until that, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Now here, click on this optimization one. Here the same we have to do what we have done in the first and second section, but there are some changes. I'll let you know in between. Just run it. See here, let it come to 1. Then scroll down, and here also click on this run icon. Then 2 will come. Then again scroll down. If you want, you can read what all are written here. Now 3 came. Then scroll down. We'll run it for 4. Then we'll run it for 5. Then we'll run it for 6. Then we'll scroll down here, and here we'll run it for 7, and see 3 dots are there. Just click on that, and here just run it. Then it will run it for 8. Guys, you can show this in your projects in your colleges. It will boost up your skill, and it will save some kind of your times, guys. So you can do other activities, like if you are in a college, there are n number of activities you have to do, and for projects, for the subjects, you can show this or these all things. So it's a kind of boost up for you guys. You can just learn what all are written here, and it's a Python code, so it will be simple for you guys. So just run it. After that, see how I'm doing. That all thing you have to do the same way. Then it will come here for 16th one. We'll wait for a while. So after waiting for 3 minutes, 16 came. Guys, be patient while doing these projects, because it will take some times, some ransom amount of time while doing this. It will run it. See, these all are outputs of the 16th, and here we'll click on this for the 17th one. Again, it may take some time, so we'll wait for a while. So now 17 is done, and here we'll scroll down and we'll run this. Guys, please read what all are written here before taking this into your projects, in your college project. Now we'll click on the save icon, which is above here. See, now circle is there. It should be crossed. Until that, please click here to save it. Now it's gone. Now we'll come to the place from where we have launched it, and here we'll click on stop task. Then we'll click here to confirm. Guys, we have completed the third task. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we'll complete the fourth task. Thank you for watching, guys.